Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create image poll on YouTube. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get started. First of all, you have to open your YouTube and you must be logged into your YouTube account, and after that here you can see we have got the plus option at the end. You just have to click on this plus option, and after that just go to create a post, and here just select the image poll. Okay, so here at the top you can see you have got bunch of different other options, like if you want to create a quiz, if you want to create a text poll, or if you just want to write a text. Okay, so here I will select on this image poll, and from here you can just ask your community about these two options. Like I will just write it as which one do you like. Okay, so here you can just add your poll options. Like I will click on this, and let me just click on this option, and after that let me select any other picture. And if you want to add more options, then you can just click on this add option and you can add more options. And you can also schedule your post. So to schedule a post, you just have to click here and you can just schedule your post. Okay, so in this video I just want to post it right away, so I will click on this post. So the post is created. I will click on this view and I'll be directed to the community tab. Okay, and here you can see that my post is created, and here my subscribers can see this post and they can just vote. Okay, so that's how you can create an image poll on YouTube. I hope you have found this video helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.